Bibili ka.
Saan? Ha?
May bakong kasi dyan bibili ko.
You would be unable to carry out the instructions in an emergency evacuation, are concerned about injuries, or wish to be reseated, please notify your cabin crew at this time. May we also request that you stow all your bags in the overhead bins, as the area should be kept free from loose
jet will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each of your seats are provided with a seatbelt to fasten push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose ends to unfasten, let go and buckle, and pull free ends to release. In an event of water landing, your individual life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To down slap vest over the head. Take saber around the waist, then push end to buckle. Then pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, jerk inflation tags to inflate vest.
Nasa langit na kami. Ayan.
At siguro mo yung ano.